Lorex continues to innovate with its ultra-high quality IP-based 2K security cameras. The LNB4173 from Lorex is a bullet-style camera made of aerospace grade aluminum. The camera can be installed indoors or outdoors, and both vertically and horizontally. Let's see how to install the camera on an exterior wall. Available from Lorex is a junction box which can house all the wiring and is pre-drilled for the mounting bolts. Model S1J-F3G. It is available in black and gray. This junction box is made of solid metal alloy and features a foam backing to protect the cables from the elements. The outer cover has a white silicone gasket to keep rain and snow from entering the box. The black silicone plug can be used to seal the wiring entering the box. Included are plastic anchors and screws along with a weather-tight conduit connection that can be attached to the bottom of the box, currently covered by a metal plug. The first step is to remove the front cover from the junction box and attach the camera to that cover. Carefully remove the black silicone plug and feed the camera cabling through the hole. The LNB4173 has 3 mounting holes. Align the camera mounting holes with the pre-drilled holes on the front cover of the junction box. Insert the provided hex bolts into the camera mounting holes and tighten using the supplied Allen key. You may need to adjust the camera angle in order to allow the Allen key to rotate freely. Loosen the Phillips set screw and tilt the camera approximately 90 degrees. Tighten all 3 bolts. Once the camera is mounted, reinstall the black silicone plug. Simply slide the camera through the slit in the plug and push the plug snugly into place. Align the camera to the approximate desired angle. This can be fine-tuned once the camera is fully installed. A hole has been drilled in the exterior wall and the Cat5e cable has been threaded through the hole. Insert 2 or more anchors into the wall and secure the junction box to the brick wall. Now connect the Ethernet cabling to the camera and gently push the bundle of cables into the box. The camera is PoE or Power over Ethernet, so only 1 cable connection is necessary. Keep mindful of the direction the camera is pointing. Place the camera and box front cover onto the junction box and align the 4 corner Allen bolts. Hold the camera in place and tighten each Allen hex bolt. Once the camera is secured to the junction box, adjust the alignment of the camera by loosening the Phillips screw on the camera mount. It is ideal to keep the green-blue sensor pointing down so the image is oriented correctly. However, if you do place the sensor pointing up, the image still can be flipped on the NVR. The LNB4173 4-megapixel sensor delivers incredibly crisp, clean images in day and night. The 18 infrared LEDs illuminate the entrance and beyond. When an external light is turned on, the camera switches to color mode and provides a clear image. When we add a multicolor light, we can see the range of colors the camera can reproduce, even with minimal light. The LNB4173 from Lorex provides professional-grade build quality that will deliver exceptional surveillance imaging for many years.